Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Jhaycellhanya. So, affiliate marketing expert and a YouTuber. Hi guys, thank you so much for support. I hide this one. So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I would like to share to you how to make money in Canva. Before that, so I will introduce what is Canva actually. What is Canva application? Okay, Canva application is a graphic design platform used by creating the social media. Like for example, graphics, so presentation posts, documents, and the other visual content. Okay, so the application includes by the templates users to use, and then the platform is a free to use. Actually, the platform is used to use and offers paid subscription like Canva Pro and the Canva Enterprises for the additional functioning. Okay, so user can also physical can also pay for the physical product to be printed and shipped. Okay, so ship. So the Canva is really good for us like me as an influencer or a create YouTube content creator. Is a really best and really good benefits for me because I make for my channel art, I make for my template, I make for my thumbnail, I make for my TikTok, I make for my Instagram, I make for my WhatsApp. So there is a lot of things can use for the Canva. So let's watch this guys. Okay, thank you. Our Canva application that which is I can show you. Wait, my background. Okay, that. So here is the one. Okay, wait. So this is all the design. I put you on top better so that I can see your Canva application, which is easier for you guys. So there is a lot here. Look, as you can see, there's a lot of design. So me, I already get my own design, and then you can, actually you can make money from that. For example, this design. So I must check my design, and then I can start if I want to sell my own design. So I can start from that. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so I put you one side. Okay, so this is my design. So you can see from the top, you can see the top try Canva Pro to have, and then you can put share a link to edit. Okay, also have share a link to use as a template or share a link to view. Okay, so share a link to a template also can. Okay, you have to use for the template so that you can earn from that. Okay, so and then type one or more names or emails. Okay, you can do that, and then you can press from here. Share the link presentation as a record also can. You can sell to the end, and then you can brand as a business card. So there is a lot of that in Canva. So we come here. So every of your design you can sell. Okay, every of your design you can sell. There's a lot, or you can make. So this is all your design, all my designs. So example, this design I make myself. So I want to sell, or I want to let anyone can use. Okay, so if I want to sell this my account, this that I make the other day. Look, see, you can share a link to watch or share a link to edit also can as a template. Okay, so they can make that, and they have to the Canva. They already know that I am the one, the seller, the seller of my template. So yes, I can track myself, and then we go through again back. Okay, So this is all your design. You can create a theme if you want to, and then yes, tell us about your theme, and then you can make a brand kit if you really want, and then you can share brand logos, brand color also can, and then a content planner. So if you don't have the planner, so you can make this also. Create a plan and schedule social media across your favorite platforms, all from within Canva. Okay, so this is all the one, and then share with you. Share with you means okay. So I can go to my design. So this design I want to sell. Okay, so this is my design. Example, this is my design. You can print as a business card. Okay, got it. And then, yes, you can share as a link. Look. Now, so it's really simple that you just share and you can make your own design and you can sell to them. Okay, so you can make, there is a lot of elements here if you really need it. Okay, so if you want to be like, for example, you want to make a presentation. Okay, so we go through the logo. Okay, so you want to make your logo design and then you can sell to everyone as you use your link. You have to use your link and then they can go through. Okay, so very simple. You can make a logo for your own self. You can put a white background first if you really need it. Okay, you really need it. Okay, this background, I love it. And then I want to make it a crop. I want to make like, okay, so no need. And then you can put the design or photos if you want to. Or you want this. There is a hand. And then you can put your text logo. Simple. It's very simple. Just like that. And then you can make that. Okay. And I need one more element. For example, how do I do it? I need to go to the one all elements. Okay, so I want to change the color of my element, or you can move as you can. Okay, done. And then I want to make change color of this, and then I can see my own. Yes, if I want like the block, so I already have a logo. If you want to make a logo, a simple logo for yourself, okay, so that design you can sell already in Canva user. Okay, okay, so if you want to go to the marketing, okay, so you want to make a marketing like this, or you can design. This is all a flyer, COVID-19 flyer you can make if you want. Back to the business flyer, event flyer, marketing flyer, business flyer, modern flyer, photography flyer, real estate flyer also have. And then yes, sell flyer. Okay, there's a lot of flyer maker in this application, so you don't need to be worried. And then yes, I hope guys that you can earn your Canva application or your Canva design. There's a lot of design and then you can sell that. Okay, so every design that you can make, you have to put an effort, and then you can do a sale. You can sell, So if you want to become a pro or enterprises, also can. And then yes, this is the one. And then yes, education also have. There's a lot, guys. If you want to make a nice design of your template, YouTube channel, YouTube thumbnail. So there's a lot, guys. So I prefer you guys that I can put you my link in Canva application so that easy for you guys. Okay. So I hope, guys, that you learn from me about the Canva, and I hope that you have to earn the money from that. And okay, so we will doing it now in the beginning. So we close this and we start here. Okay, so yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. And then whoever Canva user, you can earn the money from that. And then that's why I don't like the camera of my laptop. It's very blurry. So hi, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope, guys, that you can earn the money from your Canva account. And thank you so much for your subscribe and support my YouTube channel. And I'm so sorry I'm using my script. So hi, guys, thank you so much, and please support my YouTube channel. I will put the description below in my link of my Canva account, as long as, and then please support my Canva also. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.